Hey guys, it's Mando. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, I guess, a little bit different. I mean, this is like the first like beauty video that I ever do, but it's basically going to be a natural boy makeup, like makeup for men. But yeah, there aren't too many things. Everything is drugstore because I figured if you are a guy, you are going to be like not wanting to spend like so much money on makeup, so I made sure to get everything is drugstore. Everything I think is about like, everything is under like $10, so it's not too expensive. It might be like $25-ish. You don't, yeah, it might be like $25. I'm not too sure, but I will link everything down below, from like what I started to everything, just so you have all the products and you can go to your local store and grab them. But yeah, let's get started with the video. Alright, so I already have my face, I already washed my face, put lotion and everything, so it's all moisturized. I did wash my hands because if you don't wash your hands before you apply makeup, you're dirty. Like, you're touching your face and you're not going to wash your hands. I just think that's gross. The first product that we are going to use is primer. I really like this E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Touch whatever. It's really good. I really like it. I feel like it makes your makeup stay in place, because that's what you're gonna want it, because you don't obviously don't want it to be cakey, because this is like a natural makeup, like specifically, not specifically for guys, but catered towards guys, because I feel like there's not a lot of videos really about makeup for guys, so I decided why not to make one. I am looking pretty crusty, but who gives a fuck. After primer, I don't use foundation because this is like a natural look. I am going to be using 2 concealers and I'm going to be mixing them. I'm using the E.L.F. Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline FitMe Concealer in the shade 20. So if you are like similar to me, I would use those. I'm going to be using this one because it's more of a matte finish on like the problem areas, because you're going to want those to be matte, and then over like mustache area. This one's really good for like where you have like redness and acne. And then you're going to want to be using the Maybelline one because this one's more of a radiant finish, so you aren't going to look as like crazy, even though I look crazy right now. This is going to help like balance out the two because this one's more creamy. Now look. And then I tend to don't put anything on my forehead because it is natural, but whatever. And then I'm using this E.L.F. sponge. It's like $4. I bought it at like Walmart or Ulta. But yeah, you're just gonna want to blend it. Okay, so after that, you're gonna want to get I like this like a powder foundation. It's the Maybelline in the shade 25, and then I have a different same E.L.F. one just so that you don't mix like the wet with the dry products. But you're just gonna want to go ahead and get a little bit, well, not a little bit, but put some on your hand so that it doesn't all like break, and then just pat this shit in your face so that your makeup stays on. So just like putting it on here just so that your face doesn't get all the product. And then I don't know, this is just powder, I guess, but yeah. And if like some of your acne shows, if you have that, like, I mean whatever, because I feel like it is like natural, so if a little bit shows, it's supposed to. But yeah, it might look crazy right now. I feel like you always look crazy, but it'll come together in the end. Because yeah, you just gotta look crazy, because if you don't look crazy, then you just don't. And then I'm gonna be taking this BH Cosmetics. It's pretty fucked up because of my dog, but you're just gonna wanna just like mix it, the product, so that it's not like all in one place. Just evenly distribute it. I'd be looking a little white right now, but with some bronzer should be able to fix that. So next we are going to be using bronzer. I do use like 2 different bronzers for like Drugstore. I use this Rimmel Natural Bronzer, and then this, you can't even see the name, but the Wet n Wild bronzer. It's in the shade Sunset Strip. This one, I feel like it's more like matte, and this one has like a little bit of shine. But I mean, you don't want to go for a matte look because no one just looks matte all the time. So you're just going to be wanting to mix both of these. Grab a little bit from here. Then you're just going to want to bronze up the face. Also get those cheekbones so you can fake like you actually got some structure. Then just do this side. And then again, just fake those cheekbones that you don't got. But yeah, this is also the Morphe M405 brush. I forgot to say it. But yeah, everything will be linked down below. So if you do want to get these products, you know where to get them. And then again, also get the temples of your face so that you look like a bronze goddess. And like, this makeup's supposed to be like work makeup, or like, I mean, if you're down to go to the gym, I honestly don't give a fuck anymore. If I go to the gym with or without makeup, like, just don't give a fuck. But yeah, so you're just gonna want to make sure everything is blended out so you don't get clogged. Swag. I also put a little bit like all around my nose, because that's generally where you get sun. I also use this like little $3 brush. It looks like this. It's like an E.L.F blending brush, but I just get a little bit, put it under your lips so that they look bigger. If you don't want to pay for lip filler, you can always go ahead and do that. Put a little bit right here under your nose. Don't breathe it. Let's get into that, then do you, boo boo. So next I am going to do eyebrows, and for eyebrows I actually like to set it first. So I am going to be using the CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash. I think it's like, that's mascara, but it's for, I'm using it for brows. You are going to be wanting to brush your brows in the way that they should go. So brush them up and then to the side. We are gonna have to wait a little so that this shit dries down. But once you have that desired shape, you just wait. So we're gonna wait like 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been like a minute. I'm not gonna wait 5 minutes for eyebrows. But for eyebrows, I have 2 different ones. I have the E.L.F. This one is a dark, when I want a darker brow. And then I have this NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette. It is this one. It's supposed to be like a dupe like the Anastasia one, because Anastasia one is like $21. This one's like $6. But I'm going to be using the E.L.F one, and then I'm also going to be using this Morphe 215 brush. It's like $2, so why not? I'm going to be first getting this like pomade type of thing, and then alright, before I was rudely interrupted by my brother because he loves to know when I'm recording for some reason. I'm gonna be starting at like the middle and then just working that to the end. I don't like to put a lot in the front of the brow because it's supposed to be like natural type of deal. I don't tend to put too much on top because I just don't. Then I also use this little brush that comes in it. I use the thin side, and I will be getting the tail of the brow. And then I also get the powder side with this little on the other side, and then I just put it like a little bit on there and just make sure to do that. And then once you put the powder, I guess that's why I like this, because it has the little spoolie. You just get the spoolie and you just, I don't know what this is called, I guess like blending the brow. Holy shit, wait, so if you think you like put too much, just keep blending that shit out. Alright, it's pretty dark, who gives a fuck? If you don't want it as dark, don't use that much product. The other side I'm going to try to use less product. Then I want them to look the same, so what you can do is go back with the CoverGirl and just add a little bit more, just so that your brows stay in place and they don't go running to the X, because people always go running back to their X, but that's a whole nother story because people just keep running back to their ex even though they're broken up. But that's that. Then the final step is going to be a setting spray. I use the Mario Badescu Facial Spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. It is like $7. You can also buy the little one for $5, but you get more product for this one. So you just go spray a little bit. This is gonna like give you life back because of all the powders and stuff. And then what I saw, or what I like doing, is actually pressing the powder with that same beauty blender that was damp and just press it into your skin. That was my natural boy makeup, the Fresh Face Fantasy by Bretman Rock or whatever. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. That would really help. Also leave a comment if you have like any questions about anything. I'll be linking everything in the description down below. Subscribe, it really helps me out a lot. I know I'm a new channel, so it's really hard. Follow me on my socials. My Instagram is Mando Ulysses, same as my Twitter, and then my Snapchat is it's Mando with 2 O's. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.